Welcome to the demonstration of the Banner Wireless Vibration Kit from Sensors Incorporated. This kit was designed as a plug-and-play solution for simple, real-time vibration monitoring. It uses wireless sensors with either remote head or magnetic attachment as shown at the bottom of the picture. The main screen has icons for 4 groups of 10 sensors. Each sensor has a check engine light status icon which allows the user to determine an asset fault with a single look. By tapping on one of the 4 groups, you can drill down into the group of 10 nodes and from there into an individual node. Once we drill down into the node, we can see real-time feedback as well as the history of the node. For demonstration purposes, we have sped up the trending data. We have established a baseline shown by the blue line. Our acute warning is set by the yellow line and the acute alarm is represented by the red. Here, you can see a spike in vibration has pushed the system into an acute alarm as represented by our data, or the white line, going above the red. As the system settles down, you can see it drop out of alarm state but still be in a warning zone. After, it then pushes back into an alarm state. Once the disruption has passed, the system settles back into a normal baseline status. Here's an example of a system that went into acute alarm and then came back down to baseline state. If maintenance was routinely checking the system at the highlighted times, they would never know that the system was stressed. Here is another example of a system escalating to catastrophic failure. This example would typically take place over a long period of time, and using predictive data would allow the user to anticipate and predict failures before they actually happened. In today's tight supply chain market, utilizing predictive failure data is imperative on applications such as motors, bearings, pumps, compressors, and gearboxes. Ensure that your company doesn't experience unforeseen downtime with Banner's Wireless Vibration Kit from Sensors Incorporated.